Okay, this is a video of my two CB750s. Got the gold one running. That one's out of gas. Yeah, I got to get something to go in and get her back fired up. This one though, it runs good. I done the paint job out in the yard with Duracoat. It sounds and works perfect. I built that one out of two that I got for $250. Check it out and let me know what you think. I put them exhaust on. They're Scorpions I got off of eBay for $30 a piece. Brand new. It sounds good. We crank it up, but like I said, it's out of gas.